All right, we're gonna start the marketing video for 423 South Montana. Just showing you the outside right now. So you do have this off-street parking here. For garbage, for Mitchell garbage, you have to take it to the street. They don't pick up in the alley anymore. But if you desire not to do that, you can go through some private companies and they do pick up at the curb. So depending on that preference, that is something that is available to you. It's just a choice you have to make. These tenants to decide to go with Mitchell and they'll have to take it to the street. So just keep that in mind, that there are those different options. So this side door first comes into the kitchen. Large kitchen, good size refrigerator. So this room here, I don't think we technically consider this to be a bedroom. We consider this to be a 3-bedroom, but this actually is a 4-bedroom house. It's a very small 4-bedroom house, but it is 4 bedrooms. We're just gonna peek into the basement. The basement is definitely nothing special, mainly maintenance purposes and for some storage if you desire, and then there's like some shelves around back there. I don't really want to go all the way down into the basement. So that is the basement. Nothing to write home to mom about. Little closet there. Next, we'll take a turn and go into your laundry area. So here is your laundry room. Here is yet another bedroom. It actually doesn't have a light, so you would need to put some sort of like lamp in there. That was the thing back in like the 80s. Instead of having lights on the ceiling, they did lamps. And you do see that throughout many different houses. Next, we'll head into the living room, say hi to Allie. So here's the huge living room, gray walls, white trim. Really love this look. Bedroom number 3, large bedroom here. We do have those ceiling tiles we need to slide back in. Large bedroom. And then, can I have you turn that light off in there for me, please? I appreciate your height. Bedroom number 4, large bedroom here, really good sized closet. And then there's this random extra room here, kind of like a little patio, sunroom, closet, hobby room, whatever you want it to be, sort of deal. So this is the house. Last, I'll just go out onto the little front porch. This house is kind of odd in how it sits so far back in the lot. That's okay. Take it while we walk to the car. So it does sit really far back in the lot. You're really far away from Montana Street. But this is the look. Thanks for watching.